Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rocky again from English International. Have you ever asked yourself, how can you enjoy your life? Today's video, I want to share for you the keys to enjoy your life. Do not rely on one's appearance. It can deceive. Do not rely on wealth, even that fades away. Rely on someone who makes you smile, because it takes only a smile to make a dark day bright. Dream what you want to dream. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Be what you want to be. Because you have only one life and only one chance to do all the things you want to do. Do you have enough happiness to make you sweet? Enough sorrow to keep you human? Enough trials to make you strong? And enough hope to make you happy? The successful people do not necessarily have the best of everything. They just make the most of everything that comes along their way. Happiness waits for those who cry, for those who have been hurt, for those who have been searched, for those who have tried, for only they can appreciate the importance of people that comes and touch their lives. The brighter future always based on forgotten past. You cannot go with life successfully unless you let your past failure and your heartaches go. When you were born, you were the only crying, and everyone was smiling. Live the life so that when you die, you are the one who is smiling and people around you is crying. And I hope that you will have the life, the fulfilling life. And thank you very much for watching my video. See ya at the next video.